Hey guys, Nobu's here. Today is...
It's my birthday! And we're about to go and eat some food at the Royal River Grill House, which is a restaurant from my hometown of Yarmouth, Maine.
Maine! Okay, so we're gonna review food over there. Let's get started?
Yeah.
Yeah, peace out. Alright, where are we?
At the grill house.
What is the name?
The Royal River Grill House.
Royal River Grill House. Are you excited?
So excited.
Yay!
You know,
Let's
like,
go.
talking with a mask on makes me less shy because people can't really tell that we're vlogging right now.
Let's get in to the restaurant.
I'm shaky though.
This is the atmosphere. This is our seat. It's so beautiful here.
Did you get my joke?
Yeah,
You said, but you didn't laugh, so it's okay. That's
my
fine.
beautiful wife.
Thank you.
I said that it's beautiful here, but she said thank you, so I had to say, oh, my beautiful wife.
Yes.
So you ordered alcohol. What is that?
It's a giant freaking mimosa made from gray goose and blackberries.
Can you spin it around and show it to me? Ooh, that's dope.
Viewer question, do you think it's a bottle cut in half?
Right?
Or did they make it?
Yeah, right?
Did they make it?
I think they just recycle the glass because there's a glass cutter. You can buy it. Less than $100, I think.
Yeah.
So what did we order?
Yeah, that's what I'm about to say.
Okay, yeah. Get
We
it.
got some stuff from the raw bar, and we are doing the main crab cakes, and you specifically are having a cup of clam chowder.
Yes. Ooh. All right, our first food is here. So good. What is that? This?
Oysters, shrimp, crab cakes, clam chowder.
Yay, clam chowder. I have one.
Yes.
Let's get it.
It's very good.
いただきます. Wow, it is so good.
I'm regretting we didn't get more.
Hmm?
I'm regretting we didn't get more.
So good. Oh my god.
Okay, what wins, the oyster or the shrimp?
It's really hard, but hit it. Shrimp.
Of course, shrimp, yeah.
The spoon is so big.
The soup spoon.
いただきます.
It's like Japan, how they have the deep spoon. Yeah. I want to try it.
Okay, Anna is gonna try soup. Gimme. What do you think?
It's pretty good.
Yeah, right? Let's get it. Digging in.
Step one. I love crab more than any other seafood. Food is so good. I dropped my phone. But it's so good. You have to try it. Anyway.
いただきます. Oh my god, what is that?
More shrimp.
So why we have more shrimp?
Because they were literally so delicious that we couldn't ignore them.
So you ordered 2 more and I ordered 1 more.
That we did. What's about to happen?
My wife is so cruel. You know why?
Why?
Because I have an allergic to alcohol,
It's like a mild allergy. It's very, very mild.
but she want me to try this mimosa. Oh my god, I will. Oh. Oh my god, what is this black chunk? Oh my god. What is?
Amazingness. I'm so excited to try this. The last time I was here, they like served this with risotto or something, I think. So good. Yeah.
Crispy? Seems really crispy.
It's like sweet and then like spicy. It's super good.
Oh,
Super good.
dope. Killing it. Yeah. Oh my god, so soft. Oh my god, really. I didn't even press in, you know. This is so soft.
Get that demi-glaze.
Yeah, demi-glaze. います。うわー、ちょっと待って。やばい。これ肉かなっていうほど柔らかい。
わからない。
This is, I didn't even thought it was meat. It was way too soft.
I want you to try your lobster.
Okay. Maine's lobster. This is Maine's lobster. So big. Lobster is harder than meat.
Did you dip it in butter?
This is butter?
Yeah.
Okay.
Should be.
So good. It's so good. Come to Maine. Maine's lobster is dope. We have left our food a little.
So much.
But the good things we can take it home. Alright. That was really good experience.
I'm so full and I'm so tired and I'm so happy.
And look at this, I got little what?
Bonus steak.
Bonus steak, yo.